Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we from Lex 2061 Group 4. So before we start discussion, I like to introduce my member. Start from me. My name is Nur Akila binti Abdul Aziz. My matric number is EX03418.
Okay, my name is Anis binti Abdul Rahim. My matrix number is EX03518.
Hi, my name is Nurina Zira binti Muhammad Maruf and my matric number is EX03409.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Ali. My matrix number is EX03431.
And hello, my name is Zuna Shazwandi binti Zailan. My matric number EX03499.
Hello, my name is Cempaka Imali binti Cik Syafiee. My matrix number is EX03600.
Okay, our topic today is relationship. So who wants to start first?
Anis?
Okay,
Start first?
okay, I want to start first.
Okay.
Okay, for relationship themes, I choose the song about "Love You Like a Love Song" by Selena Gomez. Okay, before that, I want to give the meaning about relationship. Okay, relationship is the way in which two or more concept, object, or people are connected, or the state of being connected. Okay, attraction without closeness is more like a crush or infatuation. Okay, "Love You Like a Love Song" is a song by American band Selena Gomez and the scene recorded for their third studio album "When the Sun Goes Down." It was released as the record single from the album internationally. The song was released for digital download on June. Okay, the song is about a girl that is totally in love with this guy, and he is all she thinks about. Whenever she hear a love song, it reminds her of him, and she plays it over and over again. These people who are saying that she is in the illumination are idiots. She loves the boy and is obsessing about him all the time and thinking about how great he is. The same way a love song gets stuck in your head and you just want to hear it again and never get tired of it. So that's all about my song.
So can I continue?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. Okay. About the theme of relationship, my song is the title of the song is "You Let Me Walk Alone" by Michael Schulte. Alright. So the song is about the love relationship between father and son. Right. That is the summary of the song is that is the case when everything about the song is great. The lyrics, the music, and the performer. The 28 years old boy, which is Michael Schulte from Germany, proved with his example that dreams come true. Right? The main thing is not to be too lazy and constantly train and prove others wrong. At the age of 17, he created his own channel on YouTube where he uploaded cover versions of famous songs. 3 years later, he was noticed by professionals. A year later, he conquered the national chart with his own song. And then, 6 years later, he went to the 2018 Eurovision Song Contest. Basically, the song "You Let Me Walk Alone" is one of the most touching and heartfelt, both in its lyrics and in the performance of Michael, which is stunning. Well, like I said before, the song is dedicated to his father, who died early. Very tragic. Yes. So that's all from me.
Okay, may I continue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I choose a song from the Average 74. The the song is So Far Away by Avenged Sevenfold. It's a tribute to the late drummer Jimmy the Ref Sullivan. To be honest, I very love this song. This song is very easy to understand. I heard this song at my roommate at my hostel when my roommate playing her MP3. So they're really easy to understand. That I say I'm very touched when heard this song. It's remind me to my late father and my late best friend. So the chorus is, how do I live without the ones I love? Times that turns the page of the book is burned. Place and time always on my mind. I have so much to say, but you are so far away. Okay, so how do I live without the one I love? Because the one that we love has so far away, has been gone. So we need to tell how we about our first love, how about the colleague, how about the work. So there's nobody who want to tell because they are passed away. So it's make me more memories about my father. Okay, back to this band. Their song is express their feeling of missing their best friends. That was Jimmy the Ref, and this song is so top famous of the sex song by the Avenged Sevenfold. That's all my review for this song, So Far Away by Avenged Sevenfold. Okay.
Thank you, Zuno.
Quite interesting. So my song is My Heart Will Go On from Celine Dion. Celine Dion. Sorry. Celine Dion. You know, this song is from movie Titanic, and the song is very sad, and the movie also sad for me.
Yes.
So the song is about loving someone deeply. Whenever you are with that person, everything seems to be complete. There are no fear in your heart, just pure happiness, and you hold the person in your heart so that no matter what happens, the person will always be with you, and the love that you are share will remain as long as you live alive. It will never die in your heart. Therefore, it is safe no matter what the circumstances are. So the song show this from movie Jack and Rose. You know the character from the Titanic movie.
Yes.
course.
You jump, I jump.
Yes. They try to together, but many adventure and
Obstacle.
Yes,
To
obstacle.
make them feel love.
So that show the true love from the relationship show from this song. So that is my song. What others?
Okay, thank you to Kila. So I want to suggest my song, which is Count on Me from Bruno Mars. Okay, this song is tell us about relationship, about friendship. So this song try to relate about true friend should do to their friends. So I want to ask all of you. So do you have true friend or best friend?
Yes.
So are you true friend to someone?
Don't know.
What do you mean?
Are you true friend to someone?
Of course.
So in my opinion, is friendship is important in our life because it is about being a friend that one can count on in anything, through good time and bad time.
Yes.
So the value of true friendship, it's about having friends who is willing to be there for you, not in just happiness, also a friend whom you can always count on with every problem or struggle you have. So the solution is, if you have a friend like this who can be your side when you up and down, you better live with this person or be your partner in your life, and please appreciate them.
Yes, true.
Okay, in addition, this song not just
To the friendship.
to the friendship, but it can relate to your family also.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Count
all
on
from
me.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Ozzy.
So how about Cepaka?
For this team relationship, I choose the song number 1 for me from Mahizin. The very first day I listened to this song made me so touched. This song is about a flashback of being a child and how we trouble our mother.
Yes.
But still, our mother was there and loved we until we grew up. His mother never gave up on teaching them teaching them a good morals to be useful for future. From this song, it tells us that we must appreciate our families, especially our mom.
Yes.
We should put our family first, then everything. In the lyrics, Mahir Zain mentioned that love my kid the way you do. Mahir Zain is made his mom as an idol to be a great father such as his mom. This song has a beautiful meaning of relationship with the family. If all the family have a strong relationship, all the bad issue will not happen.
Yes, I agree.
That's all for me. So for the conclusion, there are 6 songs of us.
Yes.
My song is number 1 for me.
This song is My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion.
Love You Like the Song
By Selena
by
Gomez.
Selena Gomez.
Count on Me by Bruno Mars.
You Let Me Walk Alone by Michael Shelton.
Maybe a song So Far Away by sorry. So Far Away by Avenged Sevenfold.
Okay, so the best relationship song
Up to you. Who want to choose?
for me, in my opinion, I think
Z song.
Z song is the best song because we need a friendship, a family that we can count when we have a trouble. Yes. What do you guys think?
Yes,
Yes, I agree.
family first, of course, and then number 2 is friends, right? So without family, it's hard for us.
Yes, to-
Without friend, also hard for us. So we need both, right? Even when we are married, don't
Forget the family.
Don't ignore your family,
Yeah.
and also don't ignore your friends.
Especially the mother. The prophet also said
Yes.
the first to obey is mother, and the last is father. Okay. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Wow, macam ni.